Hey guys, thanks for stopping by today. I got a good one for y'all today, so guess what? If you're interested, stay tuned for the next clip. Thank you for coming by. Thank you. I'll see ya. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today. Today is a great day. All right? Today is a great day. Today is going to be a good day. So, with that being said, we're going to get into the video because you guys are here to see something, right? So, guys, this is for like all my new people, and this is for some of my old people. So guys, y'all know I shop these bins and everything. So I just wanted to share with you guys things that I have picked up. I did an essential haul, I did furniture haul, but I never really did like on like a clothing haul or accessories haul here on this channel from the bin. So that's what I'm going to bring you guys today. So anyway, I just want to recap you on the video yesterday. In the end of that video, guys, that was my first time trying that. I think I did very well. I just forgot how to do something at the last part when I was talking. So basically what I was trying to tell you guys is that I was really tired when I finished cleaning up everything. And then also too that the bedroom I did not vacuum, or the family room I did not vacuum, for the simple fact it had been vacuumed prior to me doing the clean with me, but this house needed to be clean. It was dirty. Like, I know y'all think I keep my house all clean all the time, which I normally do, but it was dirty. Like, the floors needed to be mopped and swept, the carpet needed to be vacuumed, just everything needed to be taken care of. But I feel so good in the space now, so I went in my closet. I said, let me try to get some stuff out of here. Let me just show y'all my items. So that's what we're gonna do today in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is purses from the BINS, you guys. This was the first bag that I bought from the BINS. I think it's really nice. The color is really pretty, like this mustard, burnt mustard color. Really cute. It has like this gold trim, as you can see on it. That real antique like brass. Really cute. And this is by Universal Thread. So I don't know if hopefully you guys can see Universal Thread. I only carried this bag one time so far. So yeah, hasn't been getting a lot of use, but I love it. I think when summer and spring gets here, I will be carrying it a lot more. But this is really cute. This is one of the bags that I got. And I think this one was $1, y'all. This one was $1. The next one I got was recently for $1. And like I think I told you guys before, for all my old people, it's missing one of these little clamps here, but it's okay because it still doesn't affect the mechanism of the purse, the mechanical part, okay? And this one is by A New Day. So it's gray. It's a gray color, like a dark gray color, and I love the same thing. I love the golds and everything, and I like carrying my bags like this, y'all. I like sideway bags, like so. So yeah, that is really cute. And like I said, this one was $1, and this one was, both of them was $1 on different days, okay? The next thing I hauled was this nice hat, guys. I love this flop hat. Has a little nice decoration here. I love that. And the thing that I really love the most is that it is 100% wool, and it is by A New Day as well. So that's what that says. And I think this one was it $5 or $3? It could have been $3. I'm not 100% sure, but I just love the taupe color. It's so pretty. It goes with everything. The next thing I picked up were these beautiful earrings, guys. Look at these. I think they're so nice. They're like a mustard orange, the same color, like a mustard fall color. Really pretty. And they also have the gold copper color. So basically almost the same. But everything I got is kind of like, how can I put it? Everything that I pick up kind of like goes together, I'm starting to see. And guys, if you're wondering, where do I get my style? I can't really tell you because I don't follow nobody else. I don't follow trends or anything. I go with whatever I feel, what I feel looks comfortable on me, what I feel looks good on my skin complexion, and how it overall makes me feel on me. You know, like on your skin. Like this is 100% cotton. This jacket is 100% cotton. It's very warm and it looks good on my skin. And I just pair it with these Adidas like little joggers. So it works out in like a little tank. And then I put it on because I'm chilly in here, okay? So we're going to get into the clothing haul. I'm going to start with the older things first and then the newer things. So the first time I ever went to the BINS and got clothes, guys, I picked up this cardigan. It has pockets on the sides, on each side right here, like that. And it has it gathers on the bottom. And it is by Universal Thread, and it's 100% cotton. I love the color. It's an army green color, and you can wear it with basically like tans, blue jean, grays, or whatever. It goes with a lot of, oh, she smells so good, y'all. Smell like something I was wearing. But yeah, this pair is really good with a lot of other things. So this is a cardigan sweater, and I think this was $3. This was $3. The next thing I picked up from the BINS, far as clothing, was this beautiful 100% top and 100% cotton top, and this is by Universal Thread. And most of my clothing items, guys, are either small. Yeah, I think everything is probably small. I am a small. Yeah, small. This one is small. And I did have to sew a button on here. I had an extra button around, so I sewed that on here because it didn't have a button. But I got it for $1. And I love the color. It's that rust color again, guys, with this pretty little, I don't know if that's like a sunshine or whatever. I'll let you guys look at that. And I just love the ruffles on it. I love how it has the, not quarter length, but maybe half quarter sleeves, and they puff out like so. This is so pretty, and I love it because, like I said, the texture of it, the material, and the color, and I like how it feels. I like how it looks as well. So I got that. The next thing I got there, y'all, was some jeans. So I have wore one pair of these jeans already, and I think I showed y'all, for the old people, I showed you guys, and these are extra small. I don't know what that is. That could be off something else. But these are a size, they say a size 6. A size 6/29. I don't know what that means. But these are Universal Thread as well. And they are just like these jegging jeans. And this is how they look, like that. And I love the fact they have pockets in the back. You don't have pockets in the front, but this other little bitty one. But there's no pockets in the front. They just make you look like it is. But yeah, I like these. And they go very well with other things that I have bought. These, on the other hand, I have not wore yet. They still have the tag on. And these are Denizen Levi's, guys. These are modern slim cuffed. And this is a size 2-3. For some odd reason, I think I can fit these. I haven't tried them on, but I think I can because they do stretch. 100% cotton. This is the front. They have the legs like that at the bottom, which I thought was really nice. And I just love the design on the back pockets. I thought that was really cute. And these pockets do work. And so do these pockets in the front. So I got these. And like I said, I have never worn these yet. So one day soon I'll be wearing them. So let's get into the last piece. Let me put these up. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is new for me. I said I'm gonna give them something different to watch today. So yeah. Okay. Then I end up getting this other sweater. I think I got the sweater when I found these pants here, these jeans here. So this cost me $3. Sorry guys. This cost me $3. And it is a extra small, and it's 100% cotton. It is by Universal Thread as well. And you see how it has that mustard color. It has the crochet knit. Like I said, it's 100% cotton. And I love the fact that it has, like, on the sides here, it has the little splits. And one side, the front of it is higher than the back. So I thought this was really, really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. And I just love the neck. right here. So I like it. I've probably wore it like 3 times, but it's so pretty, y'all. Hope you guys like it. I love it. So the next thing I picked up, I'll put it back on this hanger, was this t-shirt for, if I'm not mistaken, I think this t-shirt was either 50 cents or $1. This is by Universal Thread. It is a size small. It is like a tan taupe color, like a light tan taupe color. And it is 100% cotton as well, size small. And I have wore this maybe twice, maybe once or twice. But yeah, I like that. And then the most recent clothing finds that I found were the last 3 that I'm going to show you guys. So you guys all seen me haul these last week. Y'all, I am so happy about these. I got these for $2. I've always, since I was a young girl, I only had one pair of these suspender pants, I guess you would call them, overalls. Guys, I got these for $2. And let's see. Universal Thread. It says it's a 10, but I think I showed it on for you guys. They fit good. They're comfortable. I like it with the thing off. Oh my God, they're just so cute. And like I said, they were $2 and they're in great shape. I love the fact that it has this beautiful gold right here. That is really pretty. And I also like the legs. The bottom of the legs, they come down like a taper, but you can always, I like how it has this distressed strings hanging off of it, and you can always cuff these. So yeah, guys, really cute. So either way, I like. But I can't believe I got these brand new for $2. So that's what they look like. Okay. I also picked up the week before that these culottes. Like culottes, they kind of go down to like I'm gonna say quarter length of my ankle, but they're still considered culottes. These are like a coral pink, peach color, and they're high rise, wide leg, and they are size 6, and they are absolutely to die for. Y'all, I love these. I love these. They have pockets in the back, like so, and they have 2 pockets in the front, right here, where you can do this. I love doing that. But guys, you can wear everything with these. Everything. Look at that. Look how pretty. The color. I like these, y'all. I really like these. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite piece. But you can style this with anything. Like you can style it with the hat, with the cardigan. Do y'all see where I'm going with that? Okay. As long as y'all can see. I got these. And did I tell y'all the price? I think they were $1. We got them on Dollar Day. They were $1. Okay, this is my last find, guys. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. Guys, this dress is beautiful. Oh my gosh, the color is so cute. This is by A New Day, and it's an extra small. You guys can see that. Guys, this is so pretty. It has the you can stretch this on your shoulder collarbone. It has the puffy sleeves that are like half length of your arm, like right here. Guys, this is really cute. And then like in the center here, it has this really nice band like that. And then it just goes down in layers, guys, and it flares out a little bit. This is so cute. So what I might do, since I've never I don't think I ever showed you guys this, I might do at the end of the video a little style of me wearing this. But this is so cute, y'all. So pretty. So pretty. I can't wait to wear some of this stuff. But guys, these are all the clothes that I hauled from the BINS, either Crazy BINS or Treasure BINS. These are where I got all of my favorite pieces, accessories, and hats. So guys, let me know in the video. Okay, and leave out my earrings. Got my earrings, they're so pretty. I should have worn them in this video. What y'all think? So cute. Let me know what's your favorite piece, and are you considering to go out to the BINS one day and see what you can find. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in again. And today is a beautiful day. It's a great day to do something good for yourself and do something good for somebody else. And always remember, love yourself so that you will love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah. Bye. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in today for another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, or share the channel. Let me know what you think. This is my first time I think I've ever done like a clothing haul. So guys, with that being said, you guys know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.